Ground covers are plants that are low growing, generally evergreen and spreading, that we use to cover fairly large areas of our landscape. Oftentimes we use ground covers in shady areas where the grass won't grow anymore under trees, and this makes a nice pleasing look in our landscape. Now, two of the most popular ground covers that we use in Louisiana are liriope and monkey grass, so I thought we'd talk about those today. This is variegated liriope. Notice how it's kind of laid down here in the nursery. This happens in the wintertime with this particular kind of liriope, but as it gets older, it tends to stay more upright in the winter. So if you plant this and find it lays down, don't worry about it. Also, you might notice these brown spots on it. This is a disease that gets on liriope, oftentimes called anthracnose. If you get a lot of anthracnose on your liriope, around about late February, just cut it all back and it'll come back with nice fresh green foliage. This is green liriope, another really great plant for ground covers. Now, liriopes will grow well in full sun to shade, and so they're really quite adaptable in the landscape. Moving on, we got this finer textured grass. This is called monkey grass or mondo grass, but it's not a true grass. This is actually in the lily family. It's one of our very best ground covers for shady areas. It doesn't take the sun that liriope will, but it's really superb in the shade. It spreads rapidly and is among our very best ground covers for covering larger shady areas. It also comes in a dwarf form. Now, the dwarf is very slow growing. It doesn't spread very fast. So this should only be used in very small areas or for detail work. It's probably the best plant we have for planting the cracks between stepping stones or flagstones in the garden. So liriope and monkey grass, two great ground covers for Louisiana landscapes. For Get It Growing, I'm Dan Gill with the LSU Ag Center.